Okay, thanks again for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Guess what? We're doing a cork board like many others you may have seen on YouTube. And I've got them two this way, two this way, two this way, two this way, from collecting wine corks down through the years. A great addition to your wine cellar or the area that you might have there. So here we are with a hot glue gun trying to make sure all of these are turned, so if someone wants to read the stamp that's on the cork or the simulated cork, they can. So more later after we're finished. This is a project that can be done by children of any age. Here we go, great granny getting in the act. Hot gluing wine corks. Good job, good job. Okay, here's the finished product, folks. Here in what I call a wine cellar. Yeah, there's Napa and kind of the wine train, the wine trail there for Napa. Probably can't see that, but here is how it turned out. May go in and make a few little tweaks to it, but figure out where to put it here. I'm doing some work in my man cave. So anyway, thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Be sure to subscribe and like, and hit the bell if you want to know when I put up something real crazy and random again. And for my RV friends, who knows, there might be a, if you're going out to vineyards, some of these in here, Hightower Creek, Morgan, I forget, but a lot of these in here are from Boondockers in Harvest Host, where we stayed at vineyards. And if you happen to be at a vineyard somewhere and you want to collect some corks to do some crafts, there's all kinds of crafts on YouTube, but just ask them and they'll give you dozens, if not hundreds. Yeah, when we were in Napa, there's my Maryland Merlot. Those were a little bit pricey, so I got to figure out if I want to keep those or try to sell them or something. There's the Napa Valley wine train. There we are in Napa, having a cigar. That wound up being in Cigar Aficionado. There we are on the wine train. And for you wine fans out there, here is a little bit about Napa. But again, for grins, if you're up near, took some wine out of this one. I'm moving some things around, but Gretzky's got a cool place up near Niagara Falls. And you wouldn't know it, but yeah, I'm a little bit of a Marilyn Monroe fan. So there you have it. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Here's some extra leftovers. Anybody want them? Okay, bye.